Now, while I'm moving back and forth, I'm making sure I'm not doing this or that, or this or that. I'm just going back and forth. Easy, I'm not pushing down. Hi, it's Greg here at MaritimeGardening.com, and today I'm going to show you how to cut bread. This is one of these operations, some people just can't seem to get this right. They either cut it, they cut it this way or they cut it that way. The bread's triangled and every slice comes off in some sort of weird triangle shape instead of the nice uniform shape that you get them at the grocery store. How do they do it? Well, and there's all these fanciful tools that you can use to help you cut with guides and all that sort of stuff. But one serrated bread knife is all you need. This is nothing special. I got this at Value Village, which is a place in Canada where you can buy used stuff. Okay, now, one trick is making sure it's sharp, and you can hone a serrated knife. This knife is very sharp, but if I carefully run it on this sharpening steel, 3 times the size, now it's ridiculously sharp. This is sharp, right? As sharp as you want it to be, okay? So having this knife sharp makes a big difference. The other thing is, some people cut it sideways like this. That is bound to, you're gonna go off. It's gonna have an angle on it. You're not gonna get a nice straight cut if you cut it sideways. Also, you can't hold it still, it's gonna be rocking around. Just hold it straight up and down like this, okay? Another problem some people have when they cut bread is it's hard to get into the bread because there's a crust at the top. That's why they like to do it sideways, because it's easier to get into the bread. But a better solution is to just pick an angle. And why don't you come at this from the side here?
Sure.
Okay. So you come at it like this. You just get it started. It's in there now. Now I'm not pushing down. I'm just moving back and forth. I'm really letting the knife cut the bread. I'm just following it down. Okay, now another thing when you're cutting this, just move this like maybe here. You're watching your knife and you're trying to make sure it's not this way or this way. You're trying to have the thinnest, straightest line looking down your knife as you cut. That way you know you're cutting straight down. So I'm going to get the camera right over top here. Okay, so I don't want to do this and I don't want to do this because I got a crooked cut. And I don't want to do this and I don't want to do that. Right, so I'm putting my finger where I want the thickness of the cut, bringing my knife to my finger, starting on a bit of an angle to get started, to get into the bread. Now I can flatten the knife out. Now while I'm moving back and forth, I'm making sure I'm not doing this or that, or this or that. I'm just going back and forth, easy. I'm not pushing down, right? I'm just letting, the weight of my arm is really the only weight that's being applied. Once you get the hang of that, right? You can start going very quickly and you can cut the bread as thin as you want and you'll start, like here, let's see how thin I can go. This is a bit of a ridiculous slice, right? But you see, this is a uniform thin slice using that technique.
Wow.
So, I mean, your thickness is determined by where this finger is, right? That's telling the knife what to do. And then the straightness of the cut, you get the knife in there, get it completely in there, and then you're just watching the blade as you go down and you're going back and forth and you are not pushing down on the knife. It's just the weight of your arm. That should be all that's needed to get the knife through the bread. The rest of what you're doing, you're moving your arm back and forth and you're watching the knife to make sure it's straight and true as you cut. All right, so that is how you cut bread in nice even slices like that. If you're gonna, if you're entertaining or whatever. I mean, I've got them all different thicknesses because I was showing you how to cut different thicknesses. And they're not perfect, but the loaf didn't run away on me and get like a ridiculous angle this way or ridiculous angle that way or an angle like this or an angle like that. That's how you cut bread with a bread knife. Another trick, another important thing is that bread knives are not all equal. Some of them are very thick. What I mean is thick this way, this spine. You want it skinny. The skinnier it is, the better, because it's going to slide through the bread easier without fetching up. Right, you think of like any knife is really a kind of wedge, right? So the fatter the wedge, the more difficult it's going to have of a time getting through the bread. So you want it skinny. You don't want it to have a thick spine. Let me show you an example. Here's an example. I got 2 knives. This one has a very thick spine. This one has a much thinner spine, right? So you want one with a thin spine like this. It's just gonna work better as a bread knife. Anyway, so that's how you do it. If cutting straight, reasonably straight slices of bread with a bread knife has been a mystery for you for most of your life, that's how you do it. Practice it, you get better at it with time. Eventually you can do it with your eyes closed. Hope you found this interesting. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Check out my podcast, maritimegardening.com. Check out my Substack page, maritimegardening.substack.com, for the weekly articles I write. And otherwise, until next time, get out there, get at it, have fun in your garden, have fun in your kitchen. Thanks for watching.